Hello everyone. Our focus for this lesson is the length of a line given 2 points. Now, the length of a line can be calculated using a simple formula, which is the length of a line is square root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. So anytime you want to find the length of any line, you can just use this simple formula. Now, the coordinates of A and B are 0, -2 and 6, 6 respectively. Calculate the length of AB. So they want us to calculate the length of AB. Now, A is equal to 0, -2. That's point A. And point B is equal to 6, 6. Now, we would have known that all the points on a Cartesian plane is plot in the form x, y. So I'm just going to put x, y, x, y. Now, to differentiate between the two, I'm going to call this x1 and this y1, this x2 and this y2. To make it even more clear, I am going to write out. So x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to -2, x2 is equal to 6, and y2 is equal to 6. Now that I know clear what each values, what x1 value is, what y1 value is, what x2 value is, what y2 value is, I am just going to substitute these values in the equation over here. So the length of AB, is equal to the square root of x2. But I'm not going to write x2, I'm going to write the value of x2. So I'm put back my bracket, plus bracket, square on the outside. So x2 is equal to 6. So this is 6 minus x1, which is 0. And in this bracket, y2 is 6 minus y1, which is -2. I'm going to put a bracket here. Now, our objective is to simplify what's underneath the root sign first before we root the number. So the length of the line is equal to the square root. 6 minus 0 give us 6. And we remember to put back the square, which is square, plus. Whenever you have negative and negative multiplying each other, the result is positive. But a simple trick that you could use is to connect both negative sign, and it will give you one sign with the bracket, which is plus. So in other words, it is 6 plus 2 give us 8. And remember your square. So the length of the line is equal to the square root. Over here, 6 squared. 6 square means 6 multiplied by 6. Now the square tells you how many times you must multiply the base, and 6 here would be the base. Likewise, 8 square means 8 multiplied by 8. So 6 square is equal to 36 plus 8 square give us 64, which is equal to the square root, which is equal to the square root. Now you need to add 36 plus 64. So 36 plus 64 gives us 100. The square root of 100 is equal to 10. Therefore, the length of AB is equal to 10 units. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and do have a lovely day.